Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing an easy and delicious no-bake dessert. Simple ingredients, rich chocolate flavor and perfect for anytime cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a pan add 1 tablespoon butter. No-bake desserts save time and energy. 1 cup milk. Let the milk boil. While stirring gently, add 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Mix well. Cocoa adds rich chocolate flavor without baking. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Adjust sweetness according to taste. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons water with 1 teaspoon corn flour. Add this mixture to the milk. Stir cocoa mixture continuously to avoid lumps. And boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Cook until slightly thick. Now keep aside. Take 250 grams of biscuits. Break into pieces and pour into a blender. Biscuit-based desserts are popular worldwide. Blend smooth. Now pour in blender 3 tablespoon walnut, 3 tablespoon pistachio, 3 tablespoon black raisin. Blend coarsely. Coarse blending gives a better bite and texture. Transfer the mixture to a bowl. Add the prepared cocoa mixture. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. Let the cocoa mixture cool slightly before mixing. Grease oil in 4-inch mold. Place a baking paper. Pour the mixture and spread evenly. Place a bowl over warm water. Add 1 cup white chocolate. Melt the chocolate. Now add 3 tablespoon apricot, 3 tablespoon cranberry. Mix well. Pour over the biscuit mixture. Spread evenly. Keep aside for 20 minutes. Cut into pieces and serve. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Nuts add healthy fats and minerals. Portion control keeps it a lighter treat. No baking means less energy consumption. Your no-bake dessert is rich, chocolatey and perfectly set. Enjoy it as a quick dessert or evening treat.